Will versus going to for future plans. Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting video from Grammar with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to learn the difference between will and going to when we talk about future plans. This is a very important topic that often confuses English learners, but don't worry, we'll make it super simple for you.
Hi friends, thank you for joining us today. As Annie just said, our focus will be on how to use will and going to correctly when speaking about the future. These two are commonly used for future sentences, but their meanings and situations are slightly different. So let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand and remember.
Let's start with will. We use will when we are making a decision at the moment of speaking. It's often used when we offer to do something, make a promise, or predict something that we think will happen in the future, especially when it's not planned in advance. Here are some examples. I'm tired. I will make some coffee. It's raining. I will take an umbrella. I will help you with your homework. In all these examples, the decision is made right now, not before.
That's right, Annie. Will is used when the decision is spontaneous, not planned earlier. It's like when someone says something and you suddenly respond with a decision or offer. Now let's talk about going to. We use going to when we have already made a plan or decision before speaking. It shows that something is already decided or prepared. Let me give you some examples. I'm going to visit my aunt this weekend. She's going to start a new course next month. They're going to watch a movie tonight. In all these examples, the speaker already planned these actions before talking. So, going to is connected to earlier intentions or arrangements.
That makes sense. Another way to remember the difference is this. If you decide something now, use will. If you decided something before now, use going to. Let's do a quick practice with a few more examples and test how well our viewers can recognize the difference. I'll say a sentence and you, Altaf, can tell me if it should be will or going to. Ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
Okay, first one. It's cold here. I make a cup of tea.
Since the person is deciding now, the correct sentence is, "It's cold here, I will make a cup of tea."
Perfect. Next one. We meet our teacher tomorrow. We already told her about it.
That's a plan that was made earlier. So, the correct answer is, "We are going to meet our teacher tomorrow."
Excellent, you've got it. Let's explain another difference quickly. We can also use going to talk about something we think will happen based on what we see now. For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. We use going to because we see signs of rain now like clouds in the sky.
Yes, that's very useful. When we're making predictions based on what we know or see in the present, we often use going to. But when we are predicting something from our opinion or feeling without any proof, we usually use will. Example, I think it will snow tomorrow. Here we don't see any signs. We are just guessing based on feeling or information.
Let's compare a few sentences side by side now. I think she will win the match. Opinion. She is going to win. She's much stronger than her opponent, based on current evidence. Both are about the future, but the reason behind using each is different.
That's a great point. Here's another pair. I will call him later. Decision made now. I'm going to call him at 7. It's already on my schedule. Planned earlier. These examples clearly show how will is for on-the-spot decisions, while going to is for plans already made.
Exactly. One more important thing, sometimes both forms are grammatically correct, but the meaning slightly changes. Let's say, I will cook dinner tonight. I'm going to cook dinner tonight. Both are okay, but the first sounds like you just decided now. The second one sounds like you planned it earlier. So understanding the speaker's intention is key.
Yes, and we can't forget one thing: native speakers use both will and going to a lot in daily life. So if you understand their correct usage, you will sound more natural and fluent. Let's do one last mini quiz for our viewers. Annie will say a sentence with a blank, and you all have to guess. Should it be will or going to?
Here we go. I think I buy a new phone next month. Think carefully. What's the answer?
If it's just an idea or opinion, it should be, I think I will buy a new phone next month. Now another one. Allie is saving money. He buy a new phone soon.
That shows a plan. So the correct answer is Ali is saving money. He is going to buy a new phone soon.
Well done, everyone. We hope these examples and explanations helped you understand the difference between will and going to clearly.
Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Use will when the decision is made at the moment of speaking. Use going to when the plan was already made. Use going to when you predict something based on what you see. Use will when you predict something based on opinion or feeling.
That wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, Grammar with Altaf, and share this with your friends who are also learning English. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video with another useful grammar topic.
Thanks for watching. Stay confident, keep learning, and always remember correct grammar builds strong communication. Goodbye.